Reducing greenhouse gas emissions on our dairies. Issue and research question. The issue is the amount of greenhouse gases and methane that come from our dairies. How can we reduce the remarkable amount of greenhouse gases and methane that come from our dairies? And how do we keep the agricultural farmland like our dairies productive while trying to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and methane? Establishing the problem. How do we help our agriculture workers reduce greenhouse gas emissions? CH4 and N20 are primarily emits from agriculture, which so much methane being produced from our agriculture land, it's harmful to our atmosphere because it reduces the carbon in the air. Nitrous oxide is harmful because it damages the ozone layer of our earth and that reduces the protection of the bad UV rays. Research. The research that I found was methane has 25 times the environmental impact as carbon dioxide, and the average cow releases 330 pounds of methane per year. Now, an average dairy has 120 cows. Imagine if 330 pounds of methane times 120 cows is 39,600 pounds of methane per year from only one dairy. Now, the US has more than 40,000 dairies. Can you imagine how much methane is just produced just from dairies on a yearly basis? Now, the information needs is what is the farmers could save money by using the manure from the cows as fertilizer to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. Farmers are not going to want to change their process and their mindset and have to either put out more money or be less productive. We got to find out what they have that they can use to save money and then also help with like the burning of the fossil fuel to help with our planet. So farmers wouldn't need to buy fertilizer, which would save money. And since producing synthetic fertilizer burns more fossil fuel energy, we will be helping out our planet. So they can actually just recycle the manure from the cows instead of having to buy fertilizer. The audience would be the farmers and the agriculture workers would be my main focus, only because they're in this job day in, day out. They're the workers. We got to start with them first. As we get to show them the pros of changing their process, then we can go to different aspects like town hall meetings, campaigns to try to do an outreach to more people than just the farmers. Now, potential pitfalls are, trying to grab the attention of these workers, really keep them interested. And it's going to be hard to earn their trust because, first of all, I'm not a farmer. I can't really relate on their aspect of how their life goes and their daily work on the farm. So it's going to be hard to really have them earn my trust and showing them the benefit of change and what the impact is. So, showing them, they can actually save money and also help the planet at the same time. So those are things that I would try to show them. And then also I just want to thank you for watching my my PowerPoint and have a great day.